Good morning, students. Today I will take GK period instead of IT. Okay, so today will be the first class for GK period. So first of all, we need to download chapter 1 PDF. In order to download the chapter 1 PDF, we have to go to class 7. Then we have to choose whether it is class 7 IT or GK. So first of all, let me tell something about this one. Okay, I haven't tell you this one earlier. So this one. So now I have put this doubt form. In order, suppose you want to clear some doubt, but you are hesitating to tell me on my WhatsApp or maybe in call, but you have doubt and you are hesitating to ask me on my WhatsApp that my explanation, you couldn't understand my explanation. So you can just use this form, you can just tap on it and it will redirect to some page, and here you will find, you can select your predefined subject in which then you can select your problem or you can write your problem. So you can submit it. I won't know who are you, and I won't know, okay, who are you. You won't show your identity to me, so it won't disclose to me. You will send me SMS, then I will make sure that I can clear your doubt on the next class. So you don't have to hesitate about your problem. You can ask me any of your subject related problem in here. Okay, you can type in here also. If you want me to change the style, then you can use anyone, or you could give me suggestion also. Okay, so it's according to you. Then let's go to our class again. So we will choose class 7 IT, then general knowledge. Then today is 11th, right? 11 May 2021. Then chapter 1 full PDF. Then tap on download button. Then I have download here. So you can just use this download button to download. Let me show you an example. It will start the download. So here it's the download has been started. So in your first chapter, that is national parks and sanctuaries. Okay, so what does it mean? So there are so many animals in our wild, right? So government has taken some initiative and steps to protect those wildlife. So to protect those animal, like protect those animal by building national parks and some wildlife sanctuaries, and putting the animals which have been lost or found in some of the states or some uh, in some places that has been lost. Okay, they just um, they are captured by the forest department and put it on the zoo or maybe some kind of national parks or wildlife sanctuary. Okay, so today we will discuss about some of the wildlife sanctuaries and national parks of our country, means India. So let's go to first. I have completed this one, as I have heard that you don't have textbook, so I will discuss it on you here and you can copy it down. Remember, this question can be asked as a fill in the blanks, okay, in your exam. So read it thoroughly. So first, Kaziranga National Park. I think we have come across. It is our neighbor national park, okay. So it is spread over 130 square kilometer in Golaghat and Nagaon. It is on Assam, district of Assam. The nearest city are Jorhat and Tezpur. So the Kaziranga National Park is in Assam and it is 450 square kilometer, means the range. Okay, it's quite very huge range. Area means what are the area. The park area is crisscrossed by four major rivers: Brahmaputra, Mora, Difalo, and Mora Dansiri. The parks the park celebrated its sensational in 2005. It was declared as World Heritage Site by UNESCO in 1985. See, this is some kind of United Nations organization, okay, private organization, which look after the animals and some domestic animals. Okay, so it is hosted two-third of the world's greatest one-horned rhinoceros. Okay, now why this Kaziranga National Park is famous? Kaziranga National Park is famous for this great one-horned rhinoceros. Okay, Kaziranga National Park is famous for this one-horned rhinoceros. So it has It has the highest density of tigers among protected areas in the world, declared as tiger reserve. And Kaziranga National Park also having the most tigers, okay, stored in that national park. So now we will start our second, snow leopard. This is Namfa National Park. Namfa National Park. N-A-M-D P Namdapha National Park. It is spread across 1985 square kilometer. So you can see it is much more twice bigger than Kaziranga National Park, and is the third largest national park of India. Nampa National Park is the third largest national park in India. Okay, try to study it very well. Okay, it will come as your fill in the blanks. It is it is in Chalang district in the state of Arunachal Pradesh. The nearest city is Mumio. Okay, established in 1974 after the independence. It is recognized as one of the richest area in biodiversity. Okay, in India, it is home to a great diversity of mammal species, including four big cats means cats which are in big size. Okay, they are different with cat but similar to some cat category. Snow leopard, clouded leopard, and common leopards. Okay, they are famous for big cats, snow leopards, clouded leopards, and common leopards. Okay, so that means this place is commonly known for leopards, okay, and tigers. Now Jim Corbett, this is also a very popular national park. It is located in Nainital district in the state of Uttarakhand. So it is Jim Corbett. Jim Corbett National Park is located in Nainital district in the state of Uttarakhand. The nearest town in Ramnagar. The India the India N was the first to come under the Project Tiger initiative of the government. Established the oldest national park in India. So this national park was the first national park to come with Safe Tiger project. Okay, Safe Tiger project, Tiger Reserve. Safe Tiger project is tigers are diminishing, right? So to save those tigers, this Jim Corbett National Park took the initiative. So here, this one, okay, this one. So Nainital, it is located in Nainital district, state of Uttarakhand. So they are the first one to take initiative of Tiger Reserve project, means Safe Tiger project. It is dense, moist, discussed forest with a variety of trees, sal, haldat, peepal, rohini, and mango. So they are very, these forests are having different kind of these trees, some kind of what mango trees, like they are commonly known. Okay, now yeah, this will be the last topic for today. Let's see the time. Okay, Gir Forest National Park. It is also a national park of India. It is it is spread over 1,412 square kilometer in the Junagadh district. Junagadh district in the state of Gujarat. Okay, the nearest city is Veeraval. So Girgat forest is spread over 1,412 square kilometer, and it is in Junagadh district of Gujarat. The nearest city is Veral. So now second point, established in 1965. It is the sole home of the Asiatic lion. Okay, India's Asiatic lion. It is the home of Asiatic lion. This lion. Okay, you can see this picture. This lion. It is the place of this kind of lions. Okay, is Asiatic lion. Now, herdsmen. Okay, herdsmen and their family belong to Maldhari tribe, live in scattered settlements inside the forest and milk cattle for a living. Herdsmen. I don't know this herdsman. Let's copy this one. Herd or something. Herdsmen. Herdsman. The owner of keeper of the domestic animal. Okay, now see the owner in, I was also confused about this one. So herdsmen and their family belong to Maldavi. Herdsmen are those who take care of these lions, okay, who take care of these animals. So they are staying live in scattered settlement inside the forest.